Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. And this video is definitely going to be interesting one. Yes, I said interesting 3 times. Guess what? Just few hours ago actually, our Faye posted a video on her TikTok account. Of course, I can't play the whole video, but let me show you guys few screenshots from it. And guys, it's definitely interesting one. Trust me on this. Here you go. Take a look. Okay. Whoa. Have you guys noticed the ring on Faye's finger? I mean, if you haven't noticed it, Faye was willingly, deliberately, showing us the ring. That's for sure. I don't care what anyone says, but for me, the way it is looking, Faye was legit doing it intentionally. What's this, guys? What's this? What kind of in situation we are? We are the babies, right? And our mother, like Yoko, is denying everything. She is causing this whole chaotic mess. And on the other hand, we got our father, our dad, yeah, Faye, who is legit assuring us, indirectly, of course, but yeah, we are legit feeling like middle child over here. What is happening, guys? What is happening? I mean, if it was unintentional, we imagine it's unintentional on Faye's part, which is not. I don't think so. Just the other day, Faye actually posted another TikTok on her TikTok account. Let me show you guys the TikTok. Of course, I can't play the video because of copyright issues and everything, but let me show you guys the TikTok over there. All right, here it is. Yeah, yeah, that's the TikTok. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it first. All right. So in that TikTok, Faye was actually lip syncing to a certain audio. And do you guys know what the audio says? It says, "Mother, come here. Look at your daughter-in-law." I actually haven't talked about that video because I thought it was Faye, having some kind of fun doing TikTok trends and everything. But now, given the circumstances right now, given the situation that everything is going on, I definitely think our Faye is doing it intentionally. Yeah, I mean, think about it. The TikTok, the "Mother, come here and look at your daughter-in-law." And I would request you guys, please go on the TikTok and check that TikTok out. And please, if you can, if you have some time on your hands, please try to read every comment on the post. Oh my. It's hilarious. Everyone is flooding the comment section with Yoko's name. You guys know how our fandom is. There is even not a boring day, not one boring day in our fandom. Always something keeps happening. Even if it's a mess, it's a happy news, everything, everything mixed. We are so overwhelmed in the past few days because we have seen loads of things are happening over and over again. And now, just few hours ago, yesterday, we got Yoko's live. Yeah, she came live on the TikTok and she said bunch of stuff. And the way Yoko opened the mouth and caused the mess, I mean, of course, I'm not blaming Yoko. Please don't attack me over here. I'm saying it over and over again that this is one's dirty trick. She is using Yoko against us, against the whole fandom, against Faye somehow, indirectly. So yeah, but now we got Faye, who is legit showing us the ring deliberately, who is legit showing us the ring intentionally. You guys cannot, I just said you guys. Anyway, you guys cannot me convince me otherwise. Faye was legit showing that ring. Like she was legit showing off. I'm saying the same sentence over and over again because I cannot put much emphasis onto this. Man, this is something else. As I said, we are feeling like a middle child over here. Our mom and dad are constantly fighting, and we are here for it. But yeah, what's your thoughts on this, guys? What's your opinion? Sure, it's fun. It's fun. That's for sure. And actually, after Yoko's life yesterday, I have seen lots of people have stopped being a Fayoker, a Fayoko shipper. I mean, it's up for them. It's up for them who they want to ship, who they want to stand, who they want to be fan for. It's up to them. But yeah, loads of things are happening. I'm telling you guys, loads of things are happening. And as I said, there are loads of things going on inside our fandom. Just in few days, I have seen loads of stuff over here. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, I just came here to talk with you guys. I just came here to discuss with you guys about that TikTok of Faye. Oh my. What she is doing, guys, what she is doing. And I would request you guys again and again, please go and watch both of the TikToks. Please. Anyway, another thing I would like to show you guys that our whole fandom is actually talking about it. Let me show you guys few posts from our fandom on this topic, then we are going to talk about it again. All right, here you go. Okay, right. All right. Okay, right. Okay, all right. Our fandom is something else. I mean, it's not something new for us, right? I just love being inside this fandom. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. Anyway, another thing I would like to point out about that our fandom is talking about that. You guys know, just the other day we got another rumor that Fayoko somehow got engaged. And not to mention, we have actually seen Faye wearing this ring quite few times now. We have seen on the airport, we have seen in her fan meet as well. Don't forget it. That iconic moment when she was singing Die with a Smile and she legit trying to point at her ring. Yeah, don't forget that iconic moment. Now this. So I would let you guys decide what's your opinion about it. That's it. What's going on? I would let you guys decide. That's it. I'm just here to give you guys update. I'm here to serve you guys tease after tease. That's it. Anyway, so what's your opinion about it? Let me know in the comment section. All right. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll definitely see you guys soon. Take care, guys. Bye.